It's the end of an era for Victoria's Secret. E! News has learned that this year's Victoria's Secret fashion show will not go on as planned. An executive for L Brands, the company that owns Victoria's Secret, confirmed its cancellation during an earnings call. We'll be communicating to customers, but nothing that I would say is similar in magnitude to the fashion show. You can be sure we'll be communicating with customers through lots of vehicles, including social media and various more current platforms, if you will. Speculation about the future of the show has been growing over the past few months. In July, longtime VS model Shanina Sheikh told the Daily Telegraph that the 2019 runway show wasn't happening, saying, "It's something I'm not used to because every year around this time I'm training like an angel, but I'm sure in the future something will happen, which I'm pretty sure about." She added, "I'm sure they're trying to work on branding and new ways to do the show because it's the best show in the world." The 2018 Victoria's Secret fashion show featured several A-list models, including Bella Hadid, Beate Prinsloo, Gigi Hadid and Adriana Lima. Even with all that star power, the telecast sunk to its lowest ratings of all time. In May, an internal company memo published by CNBC informed Victoria's Secret employees that they were rethinking the annual fashion show and decided that network television was no longer the right fit.
Thirsty for more celeb news? Make sure you subscribe to the E! News YouTube channel so you can stay informed on all the breaking updates. Come on, you know you want to be the first to know about all the latest hookups, breakups, arrests, and so much more.